So this is my second example in approximating the area of a plane region. I'm going to use the problem do sa ating example number 1. But this time, we're going to approximate the area of the region bounded by the f of x negative x squared plus 5 and the x-axis between x equals 0 to x equals 2. But this time, ang gagamitin nating number of rectangles are 25. To have a better approximation ng ating area of the region na hinahanap natin. Now, paano natin kukunin yung area ng rectangle? Simple lang, kunin natin yung height, kunin natin yung width. Okay? To determine the width, by the way, kunin mo natin ay right endpoints of this interval. Actually, this is not exactly 25 rectangles. Nilagay ko lang yan kasi ang hirap magguhit ng 25, maggawa ng 25 rectangles using this region. So, para lang meron kayong konting visual kung ano ba yung ginagawa ko. Okay. Kunin muna natin yung sa left endpoints tayo. Okay. Right endpoints. Right endpoints. Okay. And ano yung width ng ating rectangle? Na-mention ko sa inyo, to determine the width, all we have to do, yung interval of x natin, susubtract natin, and divide natin kung ilang rectangle. So, therefore, ang width natin is equal to 2 minus 0, yun yung interval of x natin. 2 minus 0, how many rectangles do we have? 25. So, 25. So, ang width ng ating rectangle is 2 over 25. Regular yung ating width. Okay? Yung widths natin. Now, for the height of the rectangle, yung height natin is kunin lang natin yung ating sequence. Okay? So, this is 2 over 25. For the second rectangle, we have 4 over 25. We have 6 over 25. 1 times 1 times 2 times 3. We have 8 over 25. Okay? Yan yung kanya mga endpoints. So, ang interval niya, 0 to 2 over 25. We have 2 over 25 to 4 over 25, etc. etc. Okay. So, ito yung mga right endpoint niya. Yung mga right endpoints. Now, ano yun? So, that is, multiply lang natin ng I. Okay? I equal to 1 to 25. For this endpoint, that is 2 over 25 times 1. For this endpoint, right endpoint, that is 2 over 25 times 2. So, therefore, the height of the rectangle is f of 2 over 25 times I. Okay? Okay, yan. Yan na yan. For the left endpoints, narito na rin naman tayo. Left endpoints natin. Ang width natin, same pa rin. Okay? Nakalabas lang yung ating rectangle. Lampas do sa ating region. So, ang width natin is the same. Okay? 2 over 25. At para dun sa height ng ating rectangle, that is, itong kukunin natin, 0, 2 over 25, etc., etc. Okay? And to obtain 0, that is, if I equal to 1, so that will be I minus 1. Okay? Times 2 over 25. So that is I minus 1 times 2 over 25. So that is the height of the rectangle if we're going to use the left endpoints. And for the right endpoint, we're going to use 2 over 25. By the way, yung ating I is 1, 2, 3, until 25. Okay? Ganun din dito. Equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, until 25. Okay? We're going to approximate now the area of this region bounded by the function f of x negative x squared plus 5, x equals 0 to x equals 2 using the right endpoints and left endpoints ng ating constructed rectangles doon sa ating region na hinahanap. Okay? Okay, for the right endpoints natin, ginamit natin We have the width is 2 over 25, height is f of 2 over 25 times I equal to 1 or 1, 2, 3 to 25. Okay, so we have the area of this region, no, the approximated area of this region is f of 2 over 25 I times the width, which is 2 over 25, from I equal to 1 to 25. Okay, so ang ating function is negative x squared plus 5. All we have to do is to substitute 2 over 25I to x to determine the heights of the rectangle. So we have I equals to 1 to 25. So that is negative 2 over 25I squared plus 5 times 2 over 25. Okay. Expand natin to. So we have summation of I equal to 1 to 25. We have negative 4 over 625 I squared plus 5. Okay. Times 2 over 25. Okay. And then expand natin siya sa isa. So we have 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Ilabas ko na. Negative 8. 25 times 625, we have 15,625. Okay. Over 15,625. Summation of I squared. Okay. From I equal to 1 to 25. Plus 2 over 25 times 5, that is 2 over 5. Summation of I equal to 125, that is 2 over 5. Okay. Now, I squared. Alam natin yung formula ng I squared. We have negative 8 over 15625. I squared is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over 6. So that is, n natin is 25. So 25 times 26 times 51. Okay? Paka-check na lang po yung formula ng powers of sum of powers of signs, sums of powers of integers. Okay? Over 6. And this one, that is 25 times 2 over 5, so that is 2 times 5. So that is 25. Okay? Sorry. 2 times 5, diretso, 2 over 5 times 25 equals. Next, divide natin. 15, diretso na lang natin, calculator. So we have fraction, negative 8 times 25 times 26 times 51. Sa ilalim is 15625 times 6. R to the right. That is cancel. Matitry 5. Okay? So plus 10 na lang. Plus 10. Equal to 4482 over 625, or that is 7.1712. 7.1712. So yun yung ating approximated area kapag naka-inscribe yung ating rectangles. O gamit natin yung ating right endpoints. For the left endpoints, okay, letter B, sa left endpoints natin, ang width natin doon, the same pa rin. We have 2 over 5, pero yung height natin of the rectangles is represented by f of I minus 1 times 2 over 25. Okay? So, kunin natin yung area. The area is summation of this f of, simplify ko na yan. That is 2i minus 2 over 25. Okay. That is f of 2 I minus 1 times 2 over 25. That is f of 2i minus 2 over 25. Okay, so ilagay ko dito 2i minus 2 over 25 times the width is, sorry, this is 2 over 25. 2 over 25. I equal to 1 to 25. Okay. Okay, substitute natin. We have 2i minus 2 over 25 to x of our f of x. So squared minus here plus 5 times 2 over 25. This is the summation of I equal 1 to 25. Okay. And then, expand natin siya. Okay, burahin ko muna to. Then, expand natin. We have summation of I equal to 1 to 25 minus here, we have 4i squared. 2 times 2i is negative 4i times 2, negative 8i. Okay, plus 4 over square of 25 is 625 plus 5 times 2 over 25. Okay, expand natin. 2 times 4 is negative 8. Labas natin, negative 8. 25 times 625. That is 15,625. Check natin. 25 times 625. 15,625. So 15,625. Summation of I equal to 1 to 25. That is I squared. Negative negative is positive. 2 times 8 is 16. 625 times 25 is 15,625. Summation of I equal to 1 to 25. This one is I na lang. And 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. Haba. Burahin ko to. Huwag na. 8 summation of 8 over 625. Pagsamahin natin yung dalawa. 8 over 15,625. 2 times 5 is 10 over 25. So that is 2 over 5. Plus 2 over 5. By the way, this is minus. Okay. I equal to 1 to 25. Okay. Pinagsama ko na itong dalawang ito. Okay. Equal to, gamit yung ating formulas for sum of powers of integers, I squared is n plus 1 to n plus 1 over 6. So we have negative 8, 15,625, n is 25 times 26 times 51 over 6 plus 16 over 15,625. We have n is 25 times 26 n plus 1 over 2. Okay. And for this one, we have, pagsamahin muna natin. That is fraction negative 8 over 15,625 plus 2 over 5. We have 6242 over 15,625 times 25 plus 6242 over 15,625 times 25. Okay, diretso ko na. Okay. Gamit ang ating scientific calculator, di na ako magsisimplify. Gamitin ko na lang scientific calculator. We have fraction negative 8 on top. Ito muna. Times 25 times 26 times 51 sa baba. 15,625 times 6. Arrow to the right, plus, fraction uli, 16 times 25 times 26, sa baba, 15,625 times 2, arrow to the right, plus, fraction uli, 6242 times 25, sa baba, we have 15,625 equals. So we have 4,682 over 625, that is 7.4912. 7.4912. Okay? So, yan ang ating sagot kapag circumscribe yung ating rectangles. So, ang area ng region natin, maganda na yung approximation natin kapag marami yung rectangles. So, if the number of rectangles approaches infinity, we're going to get the exact area of the region. Okay? So, 7.1712 is less than the area of the region na hinahanap natin. And that is less than naman doon sa area nito kasi nasa labas yung ilang parts of the rectangle kapag we use the left endpoints. 7.4912. So, malapit na natin makuha yung exact area of the region. And we got the better approximation ng area ng region. Okay? So, that is how to approximate the area of a plane region gamit yung ating circumscribe at saka inscribe. Rectangles, gamit din yung left endpoints at saka right endpoints. Gamit din yung ating properties and formulas ng ating sigma notation. Okay? So, thank you.